Welcome to Smart Home Design. What I'm doing today, this is a follow-up to my other video when I was just doing the diagrams or the setup of how I was going to use Alexa to control my fireplace. So again, just a quick recap. What I've done is I've taken the cover off the fireplace. It's just a trim that actually sits on the bolts right there. And what I plan to do now is I'll go through step by step, and I will put all the electronics in. I'm going to be using a flashlight because it's pretty dark down there, so you can see it. There is two plugs right there. One plug on the bottom part is the 110 that supplies the blower motor. The top plug is what supplies the electronic circuit card that's right under in there. There's the speed control, and what I've already done is I pulled out the two wires that actually go to the control system on the wall on the thermostat, and the two marettes that you see are right there. Just going across here, the control box is right down at the bottom, that black box with a bunch of wiring on it, and right here is the gas valve that I talked about in my previous video. And you can see where there's the pilot, and of course the pilot, you can see that it's actually on right now. So we're not even going to turn it off. Once I pull the plug on it, it will turn off the circuit card and turn off the pilot. But so the next step I'm going to do is I'll be removing the two plugs right in there, or just the bottom plug, the one that's grounded. And what I plan to do is, now just a recap of what we've done here again. Here is the control relay that I made up, the Potter Brumfield relay, and the two wires that are going to be controlling the fireplace are right there. I cut the ends off, and what they're going to do is they're going to be actually connect in parallel right onto those two marettes, and I'll show you that in a minute. But to get around the problem of the plug, because we don't have multi-plugs down there, I've just bought what they call a cube tap, or just a plug extender, and my control plug that's going to be running the fireplace is I flipped out my Alexa plug for one of these ones, CE Home. They're just a little smaller, and it kind of goes to one side, so it'll work perfectly in there. So let me start getting the equipment in the fireplace, and we'll be right back. So what I've done right now is you can see where I've put in the cube tap, or the extension of the plug, and it's very hard to focus in there because the camera is picking up the frame. But what it is there, so now I've got the three-way tap. I've got my remote control plug. I plugged everything back in, and now what it comes down to is you can see where my relay is right there. I've got these two wires, and these two wires are now going to connect on to the marette right here. So that's going to be in parallel to the control system. And let me just hook that up, and I'll come back and show you how it works. So what I've done right now, as I said, there is the relay that it's again very challenging to focus all the time, and then I took the auxiliary part of the relay and connected it to the actual two control wires that go onto a switch on our wall. So now as I back out, I will show you how it works. Alexa, turn on Fireplace.
Okay.
There it is. It's as simple as that. All we're going to do now is we're going to put that relay and all that control circuitry inside, put the frame back on, and then you want to turn it off. You'll say, Alexa, turn off Fireplace.
Okay.
So there you go. Thank you for watching, and this is Smart Home Design. Please don't forget a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe. See you next time.